Hey, I'm at Berthoud Harvest Host. It's a brewing company here in Loveland, Colorado. We pulled in, they were nice enough to get us in here tonight and had a little dinner and some great beers. And this is the bartender.
I'm Jocelyn.
Jocelyn,
yes.
How you doing?
Yes, cheers. Welcome to Berthoud Brewing Loveland.
All right, thank you. And I'm going to show you the little kitchen. They had some great pizzas back here. They had these stone fire pizzas back here that are awesome. See if I can show you a couple of them here. And there's a couple of the great chefs back there cooking them up. Again, here at Berthoud Brewing Company in Loveland, Colorado. Great place. They got us out here. We've got I think there's 7 of us here with the Harvest Host right now that are enjoying it. As a matter of fact, most all of the Harvest Host guests were all kind of sitting around out on the patio in a couple of different tables, having pizza and drinking some beer, and really good time. So stop by here. And yes, Jack was able to join us. Anything you want to say?
Oh, just it's a great little place. I think if you're looking for a Harvest Host, it's plenty of room. They're super nice here. The owners are, and the food's great. So it's a good place.
When we go to bed at night, we won't turn